Hello students, now let's continue our part 4, chapter number 3, Mughal Empire. Culture during Mughal age. Mughal emperors were art lover and India was so prosperous and flourished during Mughal period. Indian culture flourished during the Mughal period. Hindu and Muslim culture mingled with each other in Mughal era. It is also known as the Ganga Jamuna culture. The Mughals established many forts, palaces, gates, mosques, and gardens. The list is given here. Babur set up gardens in Agra and Lahore in Pakistan. Sher Shah built a tomb, Sasaram, and mosque at Delhi. Akbar built the fort of Agra and made unique construction of Fatehpur Sikri. It is 36 km from Agra. This include Buland Darwaja, Shalim Chishti Dargah, mosque, and Panch Mahal built in the memory of victory over Gujarat. The use of marble increased in construction during time of Jahangir. The time of Shah Jahan is considered to be a golden age of architecture of the Mughal Empire. This is a very important question. You have to remember. The time of the Shah Jahan is considered to be a golden age of architecture of the Mughal Empire. Why? Because he built the Taj Mahal and the Moti Masjid in Agra as well as the famous Red Fort in Delhi. Aurangzeb built a tomb of Rabir ud Darun Bibi ka Maqbara, which bears a striking resemblance to the Taj Mahal in Aurangabad in memory of his wife. Now paintings. Here you can see some photos of Mughal paintings. Mughal paintings were world famous. It highly progressed in the time of Jahangir. The Mughal emperor used to invite a best painter in Delhi. During Akbar's time, there were great painters named Jashwant and Baswan. They painted beautiful picture in a Persian stories, books of translation of Mahabharata and Akbarnama. Jahangir's painter named Mansoor was world famous. Jahangir established a school of paintings, and during this period, art of the painting progressed in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, and southern state. Literature. The Mughal emperors were patrons of the literatures. They were good writers. During that period, extensive literature was created in Persian, Arabic, Hindi, and other Indian languages. Abu Fazl has written a biography of Akbar, namely Akbarnama. He translated the Mahabharata. A lot of literature based on his life, the life Lord Krishna, was written in Indian languages. Eknath, Gyaneshwar, Swami Ramdas composed devotional literature in Marathi. Music. Akbar was connoisseur of music. The great classical singer Tansen was one of his Navratnas. He created various rag like Malhar rag. Now, decline of the Mughal Empire. The Mughal Empire, which established in 1526 AD, was on the brink of collapse after death of Aurangzeb in 1707 AD. Means Aurangzeb was last emperor of the Mughal Empire. India was divided into small states after, in the absence of powerful ruler. This included the weak rulers of Mughal dynasty, Nizam of Hyderabad, the Nawabs of Bengal and Bihar, the Rajput state of Rajasthan, the Marathas, the Sikh state of Punjab, etc. These states used to fight with one another. As a result, they become weak. And under such circumstances, trading companies from Europe started dreaming of establishing rule over India. Now here Europeans start from here after the decline of Mughal era. So now I hope you understand. One time you have to read this lesson.